Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nando Design Journey. In the last video, we talked about the definition, elements of our product listing page. This video will cover the product loading methods and layouts of our product listing page, and show you examples to help you understand what works well and what doesn't. A feature of the product listing page is that it displays many products at once. How might customers load as many as possible without being overwhelmed? Let's jump into the loading methods. There are three main product loading methods: pagination, endless scrolling, load more. Pagination is the most popular way of loading more items. It splits the list into separate pages. To access other pages, shoppers need to click the button at the end of the list. Users in product lists often need to load additional products if the item initially shown do not pique their interest. There are three usability issues of pagination that should be considered. First, the hit areas are often small and hard to tap. Second, if the products are separated into two pages, customers can't compare them without navigating between pages. Compared with other two methods, shoppers browse fewer total items by using pagination, and as a result, they are less likely to find the products they are looking for. Endless scrolling. The second loading method is endless scrolling. The product list is automatically extended once the shoppers reach the end of the current list. Getting lost and overwhelmed is the weakness of these methods. Theoretically, if shoppers don't stop scrolling down, they can see the entire list of products. They are likely to scan items broadly and focus less on individual ones. Customers are more easily frustrated and leave the site during the product finding process on mobile due to its small screen size. Load more. The final way is load more. It's a button placed at the end of the initial inventory. Shoppers can get additional products if they click the button. Users have control over whether or not they want to view more products. The Load More button makes the comparison process easy. With Load More, because all products are displayed on the current page, the only thing the shoppers need to do is scroll up and down. In terms of interface, it's more user-friendly due to its larger hit area and simple design compared to pagination. Because of this feature, Load More is more suitable for mobile devices. A well-designed layout for the product listing page should be scannable and enable shoppers to easily evaluate their available options. List views, grid views are the common layouts for the product listing page. Which of the three to choose from depends on the types of products you are selling. For spec-driven products, like TVs, computers, electronics, DVDs, and hardware, shoppers evaluate and purchase based on extensive information and specifications. List view suits these types of products. Because of their ease of data presentation before the products page are viewed, displaying the features by using bullet points helps users compare the specs between similar products. Grid view is typically most useful for browsing visually driven products, such as apparel, furniture, and home decoration. Aside from its price, the product's appearance is a more pertinent factor that affects the purchase decision than with spec-driven products, and shoppers tend to scan more items in this layout. Aritzia, a Canadian fashion company, uses large and high-quality product thumbnails to present products' aesthetics from the product list. A website like Lowe has a mix of product types. So, to offer the better scanning and comparison experience, it provides a view switcher. and customers can decide which view types they want, according to the product types. On desktop, it usually loads 100 to 150 items at once for visually driven grids, 50 to 100 items for spec-driven lists. On mobile, site loads 15 to 30 things at once, no matter which list type is used. Let's look at a great product listing page design on Lululemon to understand how each component fits in. At first glance, this product list page has scannable formatting and engaging visuals. Using its large, emboldened page name, it's easy for users to know where they are. The page is a combination of intermediary collection page and a product listing page. At the top, it shows the names, features, photos of sub-collections in the carousel. In addition, it offers more visual stimulation to shoppers. With the breadcrumbs navigation at the top of the page, shoppers can know the exact location on the website. On the left side, the filter contents are the most common features of the relevant products. When the product's category changes, the filter contents changes in line with the product's relevance. And because of the collapsed design, users don't need to scroll down too much to see all the options. For color variations, the filter shows not only the color name, but also a swatch to give the customers a small glance as to how the products might look. Price is also a criterion of the shopper's decision, so this needs to be one of the filters as well. Customers can sort their results by item feature, date, popularity, and price. Lululemon provides lifestyle thumbnails in the product list that helps shoppers imagine what the products could look like when worn. To a zoom-out thumbnail, the callout image is not distractive. What they see is what they get. The second image might inspire customers. It helps them know which tops compare with other apparel, and by extension, it's a great opportunity to upsell the related products. For consistency, Lululemon offers the same amount of information for each color variation. There's no doubt that these appealing thumbnails increase the shopper's engagements a lot. Without user ratings, shoppers need to go to the products page to see how other customers think about these products. For products with different prices, it's efficient to present the price range instead of just a single price. Lululemon is a high-end yoga brand, so they want to make the interface look clean and luxurious. In addition, Lululemon wants to increase user engagements and hope their customers can go to the products page and then make the purchasing decisions. So they don't place an Add to Cart button on this page. When it comes to the loading method and layout, they implement the load more method. The end of the initially loaded product list shows how many products you have seen and the list scope. It helps the shoppers decide whether or not they want to keep scrolling and see more products. It also leaves the footer more accessible than endless scrolling. Thus, if shoppers have any frequently asked questions, they can easily see the footer and find the answers. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got any questions and comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, like and share. See you in the next one.